Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning my meal planner for the week of May 9th through the 15th. It is the meal planner layout from the Happy Planner, and the sticker book I'm using today is called Fun Florals. If you are here for the first time, welcome. I hope you like my channel, and if you are coming back, welcome back. I'm really thankful you chose to spend some more time with me. Thank you so much. So I'm going to go ahead and place these flowers down, leaving myself enough room to actually meal plan. So I am going to be meal planning in this planner right after I'm done decorating it. So stick around for that. I usually keep it super simple, but you will see that in just a second. Look at these gorgeous, watercolor florals. They're so pretty, and I'm gonna play a little bit with them and maybe combine them with another floral. We will see. I like to keep this planner pretty simple as it is. Function over anything. And now I have a new wellness planner that I keep track of as well, which is so awesome. I love being able to do that. It brings me so much joy. Okay, I'm going to pull out that page and this page. Sometimes I pull out pages out of my stickers, you guys. That's just something. Of how my creative process works. So once in a while I have to pull them out. There's nothing I can do. So I'm gonna, because they're both like very bright but yet kind of pastel-y colors, I'm gonna combine these florals with these and see how it works. But I think the shade of the colors is complementing each other, so I'm gonna add a little bit of blue into here. I love it. I'm gonna play that around with a few different color options like so. I think that's lovely. And I'm gonna add some more flowers to the sidebar area. Like I said, this planner is completely switching form and function for me, so it's kind of interesting to see how this develops. I will give it a try. And hopefully it works out well. Okay, let's cut this flower down a little so I can go ahead and add that to the spread as well. I think that will look good, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and take the foil off of that sticker sheet so I can place my stickers back if I need to. And let's cut the top like so. And you guys, don't be afraid to cut up your stickers, change them up. Even if you don't use, like I cut off that top part, even if you don't use the bottom part eventually, chances are you probably have more stickers than you know what to do with. So don't sweat it. I'm gonna add a couple more embellishments throughout. Look how tiny and cute these flowers are. Like, how can you not? Right? Like, look how adorable. Okay, so that's it when it comes to the spread. I think I'm gonna leave it be, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop this back in my planner and we can meal plan together. So let's go ahead and do that. The way I meal plan, so where there's a sheet for recipes and ingredients on a page, the way I actually use that page is I write down any kind of meal ideas. So I'll write out breakfasts and dinners, like based on different stuff, and then as you can see, I even have like a side dish and vegetarian option up there, because a couple times a week we try to have meatless days. So we have avocado toast, hard-boiled eggs, overnight chia with fruit, and I'm gonna do avocado toast again on Thursday. So I usually plan my breakfast and my dinner, and then my lunches are either leftovers or like a power bowl. So I'm gonna do pancakes with apples on Saturday. Yeah, Friday I might do a smoothie, and then Sunday we usually have like a big brunch with eggs, bacon, pancakes, fruit, and whatever else we think of. Sometimes mimosas, so it just depends. Okay, so dinner time. So I'm gonna do some turkey wraps on Monday. I always love doing those because they're pretty easy. I might even grill my turkey a little and then go from there. Yeah, we might do turkey breast on Wednesday. With veggies. Yeah, we might do chicken butter masala on Tuesday with rice. I love those. As you can see, I have like a full page of ideas, and I create a new one every single month. Based on the season and based on the freezer and like what we have. So we might do grilled potatoes and sausage on Thursday. Stir fry, grill, maybe fish. And then we'll see what we do about Sunday. Maybe burgers. Like Sunday is our bad eating day for sure. So I'm gonna think about that one. So that's basically how I do it. So I do either leftovers or power bowl, and I never know which one, based on how the night goes before. If we're hungry, if there's leftovers. I don't overcook too much because usually I can't finish my full meal. And like I said, if Al gets hungry, he can have my leftovers, and if not, I take it to work. So that's kind of how my stuff works across the board. And then I don't work on Fridays. Okay, so now let's actually plan my wellness. So we have the week of May 9th through the 15th in my actual wellness planner. I love it because it is so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some washi tape. I love my washi tapes. So it's kind of a happiness when I use washi. So go ahead and add that to the bottom of the page. So you guys kind of get two spreads in price for one. Because I kind of like doing this together because they're in the same section of my planner. So my wellness is both meal planning and wellness planner. You gotta feed your body the fuel that you wanna have. Like you get what you put in, right? So this washi is so pretty. I'm gonna add some of these wild flowers in here. I love it. I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling a little bit of a rainbow in my future up here. So I'm going to go ahead and add some boxes to the nutrition portion of it. So I can go ahead and add different color of boxes from this book, and this is detailed flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and start with pink. That's the first boxes that show up in the book, and then orange and so on. So I'm just sticking everything on my hand before I transfer it to the page. So just bear with me. Isn't this like so lovely? I love these stickers. I'm gonna start backwards and do blue. And then purple. And then add this beautiful green. Yellow. With this orange and pink, and then I have one more to add. So let's decide maybe another like a pale blue. There we go. I love that all of these are adored with these lovely flowers on them. I think that's so much fun, and this page is already looking so much brighter and so much happier. So this is where I'm going to be putting down my nutrition. Like part of it might be in the box, part of it might be out of the box. We shall see. Okay, and for intention, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these today and remember and kind of spread them throughout this page to add a little bit of color to the top. I mean, it's still extremely functional, but at least this way, it's also pretty. So I have remember and then today. So those are my tops, and then let's go ahead and add some more decorations. So maybe I can add like a flower across this reflection boxes. So I'll kind of play around with this and cut these flowers and these wildflowers and just add them throughout. I think that might be a fun solution to hold in the corner. I'm just cutting a whole bunch of flowers and adding them. Nothing special here. Just like a little bit of fun. So let's like that. This tiny little purple thing. Oh, so cute. And that right there. Just want to fill in the space a little bit so it looks finished. Yeah, some of them don't even need to be cut. Like, look how lovely this is, right? Okay, so I'm going to add that little guy right there. And then let's cut this in half and add that right there. I think that looks fantastic. And I might not be adding more. Well, actually, let's add this too. like the movement section, so every section has something. So I'm gonna cut this piece off really quickly. I'm gonna save it because you never know if you need a stem somewhere. Like I might have a flower that I need a stem for. I know, crazy, right? But that's how my brain works. Okay, so I think the only thing missing is that sidebar section, so I'm going to place a sticker there, and I am all done. Thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for hanging out and making 2 spreads with me. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thank you so much for joining me again. Have a great day.